today. It's another episode of Rolling and Reeling. Gonna head out today and see what kind of fishing we can do with the pork frog that I've been talking about. And anyways, today has got to be better than this. Well, this is what happens when I'm fishing on a dock and I'm short and I can't clear it. I broke the square bill off with this lure. So, yeah, I don't even know if it's usable anymore. It didn't feel right coming back, and so I pulled it up. Just snapped right off of there. And this unbelievable. Threw it right in the reeds. I just lost my whopper plopper in the reeds over there. Couldn't get it back. So it was attached to one of my decoy swivel snaps that all the way from Japan. I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to order a bunch more of those so that I have them, but I have more, but I'm just broke a square bill, lost my black whopper plopper, the 100 or the 90 or which, no, I think it was the 120 or with 110. It's not even that. It's just somehow I knew. I was like, I need to stop fishing, you know, and something's gonna. And sure enough, that cast and the wind just caught it, plopped it right into the reeds. I tried to pull on it to get it out, and snapped the line. So I'm done. I think it's time for some Starbucks. I'm overdressed, so I'm hot, now I'm cranky. And then this happening. I did not have a good day today. I also broke my Spro rock crawler. Wow. That is a crappy thing to find out when I get home. I was trying to get ready, thought maybe I'd get up and go in the morning. Alright, this just tells me right here, I don't need to be fishing from docks with railings, because I can't handle it. Man, super sad about this. So, rattle trap, right over the ledge, into the net full of rocks, got it out of that, got stuck in the rock. Just about ready to give up on it. Climbed up on the bridge over here, went off kind of off to the side, pulled right out. I think though what I need to do is invest in one of those lure retriever things. So if y'all got a favorite one, hit me up in the comments, let me know what that is. I've seen several on the market. It's not something I've ever had to worry about because I wasn't fishing with crankbaits. So I did get my beloved rattle trap back, even though I got her hung up in the tree like it is now, and then also down in those blasted rocks down there in that spillway. I mean, I was like about ready to jump down in there and get it, but I would be stuck and somebody would have had to call the fire department to get me out, or a large crane, one of those. So I'm gonna keep fishing here. The wind's picked up a bit, so I guess I'm gonna have to be uber careful about it going over the ledge. So we're gonna keep at it. I gotta switch the battery in the camera here, so it's a good time to just maybe take a break, regroup, and also I can't say enough about this Palomar knot. I just learned to tie it honestly every time, with the exception for yesterday on the whopper plopper. I've been able to hold on to my lures. So I'm gonna keep fishing with this one because it's warming up, and I really think I'm gonna get a hit on it. And then the lovely sunburn that I got that is still affecting my face. So yeah, I look like I got the wrong end of a vacuum cleaner for some reason, but it is what it is. So anyway, let's get going and see what we can do. So I got all out, got excited, walked up to a pond, and I saw this. So anyway, but the good part of it is that I rescued a black lab. I didn't keep her, but I called her fur rents, and they came and got her. So, but she was a sweetheart and reminded me of my chocolate lab that used to be in my life, Emma. She was big like her and just a black old happy girl. I miss that labbiness. So anyway, there's another pond on the other side of here, so I'm gonna go check that out. It's right on the road, and see if we have any luck there. Stay tuned. Alright, well, I don't know if you guys can see me, but I've been spending half my day trying to find a place to fish. And the one place that I thought was going to work, walked all the way over there, no trespassing sign. So here I am on the other side of the street. As you can see, there's lily pads. So, and I'm kind of stationed up here right by the deck as well. And I'm going to try something new. Hold on a second. My neighbor gave me these things called pork frogs. Swears by them. So I did bring the chatterbait, I think is what it is, the one that makes all the noise. Just put that on the back of that, see what happens. But just to fill it out first, I'm just gonna try just the chatterbait because I'm sure this stuff is pretty stinky. So let's see what we can find. not sure if I've got it on here right, but here it is. And throw it out and see what happens. All right, well, it's been a couple hours here through chatterbait with the infamous pork frog. There's lots of lily pads here, so I think this is going to be a really good frog pond when that time happens. I saw some jumping. I might have startled them a little bit. I also just tried kind of a 1 to 3 foot chatter or crankbait. But duty calls and I've got errands to run, so I had to cut it short. But I met another really cool guy. He was telling me he has had really good luck at this pond, so I'm definitely going to be back. And it seems to be pretty popular. There's been at least, since I was fishing, about 3 or 4 other guys just for a little bit, and then they'd leave as well. But it's a good pond. It's real close, and it's easy to get to. Everything's just right there, and I'm pretty confident that if I come back and fish this place, it'll produce some results. I just don't know if the conditions are right for them, so we'll keep at it. Tomorrow's supposed to rain, and I don't know how much fishing I'll get. Monday's kind of iffy, like it might rain, it might not, so I might be back over here Monday to kind of check it out a little further. So anyway, thanks for watching what little bit of there is, and thank you to my new YouTube follower who happened to ask me if I had a YouTube channel because he saw the camera. and he is now my 6th subscriber, so thank you. Hope to see you at the pond again. Good luck. Hope it worked out for you. And if you like what you're seeing, hit the like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll be back at it real soon. Take care.